The Affordable Digital Measurement System, or DMS, is an extremely accurate and reliable method of measuring slitter knife positions. This easy-to-use system increases accuracy and speeds up repositioning times by replacing manual forms of measurement, like a measuring tape, with location sensors and a digital readout. The DMS is simple to install, requiring standard 110-volt power plus 5.5 bar or 80 psi minimum filtered air supply. The system is permanently mounted between existing machine frames using two end mounting blocks supplied with the unit. The electronic display is built into the front of the measurement head or can be remote mounted at any position on the machine.